Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to join a server core computer to the domain using PowerShell. So as you guys can see up here, I have my server 1, which is just a server with the GUI on it. It's a Windows Server 2012 R2. And then I have my 410 server core, and then you just see the CMD right there. What you want to do though to start off is we're going to go to server 1, and then you got to pull up your server manager. So once the server manager loads, you're going to go to tools, and then once you go to tools, you go to users. Let's see actually. Okay, yeah. So we're going to go to users and computers. So let's go ahead and wait for this to load. Alright, so once we got that, I created a OU. So OU is just like one of these little one of these little groups on the sides, and you can create your own. I just got test unit 1 and 2, so those are the ones that we're going to be working with, and a couple other ones. But so right now what we're going to do is we're going to go to, I'm going to create one under member services. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on member services, and then we're going to click new. So you go down to new, and then this will open up a couple different options. We're going to go ahead and click computer. So here you get to the point where you're going to enter in the computer name. So you want to type it in exactly as what it is set up on the core, on the server core or your other server. Alright, so the computer name, mine is going to be 410 server core. So like that. And then right here on user or group, I'm going to go ahead and change this to a different user. I'm going to type in junior admin. So right here, whoever you want to be in charge of this will be able to, or access this server. You can type in the name right here of the group or the person, the user. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. Click OK one more time. Alright, so now we're going to head over to our server core. So we'll go ahead and server core, and then we're going to want to be in PowerShell. To do that, we're just going to type in PowerShell. So just type in PowerShell, and now we're going to go ahead and enter a pretty lengthy command. So I'm going to go ahead and enter it in, then I'll pause the video and be right back. Alright, so here's a command right here. So it's going to be set, and then dash DNS client server address, space dash interface alias, space Ethernet, space server address, and then the address of your server. So you want to go ahead and type that in, press enter. Alright, so then once you typed in that command, the next command we're going to do is add computer, and then dash domain name, the name of your domain. So mine is 410 server 2012.local, and then dash restart, and then that'll restart the server, and then by that time it'll have it added to the domain. So then when it restarts, you'll then be able to log in to the 410 server 1 on the server core, and it'll have it'll have you enter in the username and the password, the credentials pretty much, and that's it. Not much to it.